is Unic Makeovers DIYs. Welcome to my Unic YouTube channel where you get to share unique ideas and techniques. So today I'm super excited, super excited, and the reason for excitement is this. You can see this Google Adsense. So when you receive these, unajua umeomoka. Oh yeah, it's really an exciting thing when you receive your pin from Google. So when you have waited for it for some times. I've been waiting for my pin for the last like 4 months or so, because I got monetized in May. Yeah, I got monetized in May. Then before even 1 month elapsed, I had already attained the required $10. Yeah, for them to send you your pin. So I've been checking for the last 4 months and I hadn't received mine. So I was like, God, what's not happening? So it got to a point I got so discouraged I could not even, make new videos and all that. Now the climax of everything happened like 2 weeks ago when my ads were taken away from my videos. Okay, some people call it demonetization or something like that. So there were no more ads on my videos, and believe me, it's a bit discouraging. Also when you get called from your friends, they are concerned, they're not seeing ads on your account, and you're thinking, okay, God, so when this is gonna happen? So I just told myself, okay, I've got to wait. I'd even tried to verify my my Google with my Google account with my ID, but unfortunately it will not, because my ID is old school kinda, so it will not go through. And all these discouragement came, and I was like, oh God, I am about to quit. But I kept reminding myself, what did you start? Why did you start this? You needed to share your ideas and all that with people, so you're not gonna give up because the pin hasn't arrived. So you're going to continue doing it. You're going to continue doing it because there's a goal which you intended to achieve aside the monetary part of it. So yeah, of course it's a push. I'd actually promised myself that I'm gonna start recording new videos and ensure at least I have 20 of them from this week and the coming week. And here I am. Yesterday I went to the postal address and this is what greeted me. I was so happy that I kept praising God on my way from GPO to the stage, and I was, God, thank you. So for those who have been monetized and haven't received their pins, keep waiting, yeah, keep trusting God. They'll come. One day they'll come. If you're able to verify using your ID, you can do it, yeah. And anyway, that is after application of the recent like thrice. So don't give up. Keep checking your Adsense account to know when they send the previous pin, and one day you'll get them, or probably you'll be able to verify your account using ID. Asanteni sana for the friends who checked on me and they were wondering why I didn't have ads. I'm really honored. Yeah, I'm totally honored because it showed me that I have real fans. Yeah, these real friends who have been checking out my video. They know when things are happening and when things are not happening, to a point of even giving me a call and all that. I'm totally honored, and may God bless you. To my new visitors, if you haven't subscribed, can you subscribe? And remember to share my videos with as many as you can. To my returning subscribers, asanteni sana. May God bless you, and let's continue doing this. Yeah, wait for the new videos that are coming soon. God bless you. Bye.